Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another crypto video. This video may get new mindset. If you want to know this, please stay with me and keep watching my video. First of all, you come to my video description one. You will be always time all notification. So it's the free mining site, and also it's a new free claim site. So you will be easily earning from this site. Uh, or this site name is Bitcoin mining site. So I hope if you want to join this, please you will be must be follow my video. Okay, so I always time try to update and uploaded video at this YouTube link, so don't miss out. And this is the only mining for playing for Bitcoin. So I hope you will be joining this site. Okay, so first up, I introduce my YouTube channel. My YouTube channel is Crypto and Travel. It has a two-part. One part crypto related uploaded in this, and other part travel related video uploaded in this. If you get those information, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Will you will be notification all very fast. And if you want to trusted and all mining or claim site, you must be follow my video and yeah, press this notification video top up menu. You will be easily there's that is information. So I always time at this five video any uploaded video this pop-up menu. So you must be follow this. Okay, I request you, if you want to core mining, if you share your hash card and gift card, please must be join my group. My group name is BTC Satoshi gift card exchange. I hope you will be joining this site and share your hash card and gift card. So Satoshi app is one of the main platform of this mining site, it's a crypto site. It's a free airdrop. Always time is free to the every member. So don't miss out. I hope you will be easily joining this. Now I go to my today main topic. This site is free Bitcoin mining site. Okay, so it's the one of the best Bitcoin mining site. So you is a trusted mining site. It's another part available here. So if you want to more earning from this side, you can easily earn it from this side. Okay, and request to you, you must be follow this link. Okay, so I hope you will more earning from this side. This side there is a multiple Bitcoin earning interest, and you can earn by Bitcoin deposit and from 8% interest from the site. You can trading this site. Okay, so you can some buy Bitcoin, some sell Bitcoin. Okay, every hour you can claim Bitcoin. Okay, withdraw Bitcoin also in this platform. So how to join this site? First up, you come to my uh, video discount and click this more option. Okay, so you get this link in this site. And how to registration link and also joining, I also share with you inshallah. So here is a code available, reference code, and also this writing also changing when I after this uploaded this video. So here is a sub Bitcoin address link available. I try to share with you the trusted site, and also must be follow the this option. Okay, so that's the main point. Is the this site is available more days. So here is some video available here. What's the Bitcoin? There is a show here. Number one rank. Okay, so total marketing market cap show here, total volume show here. So here is a summary history of this history. Here is a why buy Bitcoin or storing of Bitcoin. Okay, so here is the email here. If you face any problem, you must be contact with them. You if you using ID. So how you first off you click this my link and this option. Type your email address and password. When you if you choose this my refer option, you can click right or click this link. It will be automatically fill up. And you when you joining this site, you go to your Bitcoin address. How to get this Bitcoin address wallet? You go to your wallet and copy this and paste it. It's not needed now. When you available withdraw available, then you can easily use this and you can edit this. Click this option and sign up. Some captcha available here, then you fill up it. Okay, so what do you? Alhamdulillah, I have already joined this site. Where is the 6% interest? If you deposit this site, you must be follow this BP20. Okay, how to join this? Click this from down here and write this option. FEYUD. I already fill up this captcha. Now this okay. I already earned this some Bitcoin. Okay, so here is a multiple your Bitcoin as a 50% how to 100 Bitcoin and you have to need, and you can choose this bit high, bit low. Okay, so an option here is an option interest 6% if you deposit some Bitcoin. So you more every day you per day you interest add your Bitcoin. Okay, so must be volume this 0.001. Okay, lottery available here. If you choose buy any lottery, you can lottery again after 3 days after lottery available here. You can more 100 lottery buy this one. Choose this option, fill up this option, and buy option. Okay, so blackjet is the when some are also playing is on another. You are a player and dealer. Who is the dealer? Is a computer. Okay, so I do preferable to you. You have a status option. You are show here your portfolio withdraw. Here is a withdraw option. Must be when your minimum value is 0.005, and also deposit. If you want to deposit, you choose option Bitcoin option and generate this option. Okay, you can easily deposit in this site. Okay, so that's the information of this site. I hope you this video helpful to information of this site. Don't miss out and must be join this site. Like my video, stay with me and subscribe my channel. Don't miss out. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.